Introduce highlight features or overview summary for KAWA True 4K Dashcam, front and rear. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: cutting-edge 4K plus 1080p dual recording. Experience unparalleled clarity with KAWA D8 True 4K front plus 1080p rear, capturing both front and rear views for dual vision recording on the road. Easily installed rear camera for car connects seamlessly to the dashcam front with the included 7 meters or 22.68 feet cable, no additional car ports required. Hands-free voice control. Effortlessly control the car camera front with spoken commands, enabling you to prioritize safety while driving. Simply giving voice commands to take photos, lock the video, turn on/off Wi-Fi, turn on/off audio and turn on/off hotspot. Enhanced night vision. KAWA D8 car dashcam adopts Sony Starvis IMX415 chip, 7-layer optical glass and f1.8 aperture, along with 3D DNR technology for noise reduction processing, allowing for clear capture of license plates, road signs, and pedestrians even in low-light conditions. Additionally, it utilizes LDC for distortion correction, achieving the utmost in restoring crystal clear image quality even at night. Built-in GPS and route tracking. Access real-time monitoring of time, speed, mph, kilometer per hour, and coordinates with built-in GPS. This feature helps to track the precise accident location for roadside assistance and insurance claims. Equips real GPS that is built into the front camera for car, unlike others where you can't have the GPS function after replacing the bracket. Wi-Fi and app control. With built-in Wi-Fi, KAWA D8 front and rear dash camera can connect to the KAWA Auto app, iOS and Android. Data is required to watch real-time footage. Play recorded videos as well as download videos to your phone. Also, enjoy continuous OTA updates to automatically fix bugs and update software. Continuous loop recording. When your micro SD card, not included, is full, the 4K dashcam will overwrite the oldest footage to achieve continuous recording. The emergency recorded videos are stored in a separate folder and won't be overwritten by regular videos. You can change the recording video duration, options of 1, 2, 3 minutes. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is safety design. 4K dashcam operates at a high intensity, it may generate heat, which is completely normal. The dashcam is designed with as many heat dissipation vents as possible around it, and the D8 dashcam uses supercapacitors instead of lithium batteries, so there are no safety concerns. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.